our kids. All right. Can we have our Miss Tomorrow performers, our dancers, please come up to the front? All of our Miss Tomorrow dancer performers. We're going to start setting them up at the front, okay? Only because we're very limited with time. And welcome parents to our Miss Tomorrow PTO month. And so we have our fifth graders to be on stage, kindergarten through fourth to be on the floor. Are you ready, boys and girls? Yes? The BIBA? Oh, I don't hear you, BIBA. Miss Tomorrow. Yes, the BIBA. Parents, are we ready for today's show? Yes? Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm Rose Castro. I'm the principal of Mono Guerrero, your wonderful school. This is an awesome school. So before we start the festivities, half a day, your children know more tomorrow than I do. And I'm tomorrow, but when I was going to school, if you spoke tomorrow, you got in trouble. So we've come around, and now, probably because I was at, I already told you I live in the South, so I went to St. Francis School with the mean nuns. But I have great handwriting from St. Francis, so, I wanted just to give you some updates, because once your child starts singing and dancing, you won't pay attention to me. So let me have the floor. Next Friday is National Elementary Honor Society. You'll be notified your child will be one of them. The ceremony will be here. Then, April, spring break, Easter break, is the very first week in April. Okay? So you think you're coming back on Monday, but you don't, because it's a professional development. So you come home on a Tuesday, come to school, I mean. Testing is near the end of April for 2 weeks. So please understand that's just as important. We test 3 times a year, so make sure your child's just as ready. And Tuesday, raise your hand if you're a parent of a 5th grader. The promotional is on May 16th. Your child will be receiving this letter because it tells you what clothes they're going to wear, because it's a special day, awards, but it also tells you, starting tomorrow, if your child is in a fight, if there's discipline, whether it's at school or at the bus stop, your child will not be part of the promotional. I have been so busy this month. There is this thing about getting in a fight or getting jumped after the bus stop. To get in the gang or out the gang. And if it was on the campus, maybe I could figure it out. But when they do it, and the bus driver can see it after he leaves, it's hard for me to take care of the child. And then lately, like just this morning, they want to push each other. These are my 5th graders. go call them in, and I give them the lecture. You are the leaders of our school. You are the example that the kinder and first look at. And if you're fooling around, how can you be the leader? So starting tomorrow, you'll be getting this letter so that our fifth graders, I know it's almost 2 months, but they're already going crazy. And I need you to help me because our school is really a good school. And to see this kind of behavior from my fifth graders is so sad. So I want us to all have a good time on the promotional. I want you there. Your child will still be promoted. They just can't be partying with us and getting awards at the hotel. Because this is the first promotional after COVID. So maybe they don't know how to act, but this is special. So fifth grade parents, remind your child there is still 2 more months of school and they are still the leaders and they have to lead by example. Thank you and have a wonderful show and have a wonderful meeting because I'll be sitting right by you. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Castro. The parents were just waiting for more students to show up. We actually have 5 more minutes before we have to start. So boys and girls, in the meantime, can we say our Dolphin cheer to our families? Yes? Okay. Are we going to make it loud enough for mom and dad to hear us? Are we going to make it loud enough for our brothers, our sisters to hear us? All right. Okay. All right, so we start our Dolphin cheer. Ready? Make it loud. Make it loud, okay? Ready? We are the Dolphins, mighty, mighty Dolphins. Everywhere we go. Who are we? Dolphins.
We are the dolphins, mighty, mighty dolphins. Everybody go, people wanna know.
Dolphins.
We are.
Mom and Dad, can we try one more time? Yes? All right. This time we're going to make it really loud so that all the people at Compadres Mall can hear all of you. Can you do that? Yes or no? Make it loud, boys and girls. This is our school cheer. Everyone say our JMG cheer. Get ready. Get ready, go. We are the Dolphins, mighty, mighty Dolphins. Everywhere we go, people want to know. So we tell them who we are. Who are we? Dolphins. Again, who are we? Get ready, go. We are the Dolphins, mighty, mighty Dolphins. Everywhere we go, people want to know. So we tell them who we are. Get ready, go. Okay, go. And a big Dolphin flag for all families here. Get ready, go. Dolphin flag. All right. Okay, so parents, now we are going to introduce to you our JMG PTO officers. Can we welcome up here our president, Mrs. Rebecca Bedard? Can we give her a round of applause? And our vice president is Merlin Modi. Miss Merlin Modi. Right there with her daughter, Miss Merlin Modi, and we have our president, Miss Rebecca Bedard, and she is our ESL teacher. And Miss Modi is my parent as well. And she loves to volunteer in the classroom. Thank you very much, Miss Modi. All right, and then we have our secretary. We have Mrs. Miriam Kamatuan. And there she is. And then we have our treasurer. We have Miss Desiree Sapeda. And we actually reserved these beautiful flowers, green flowers, for each of our PTO officers. Thank you for taking on this position for our school. Boys and girls, can we say thank you very much? PTO officer.
Thank you.
Did we hear that? Yes? All right. Okay. So we will continue on our program. We have our Miss Chamoru performers, which is our fifth graders, fourth graders, third graders, second, first, and kinder. So all of the students who signed up for it, the consent form were given. So these are our Miss Chamoru performers. And we also have our tomorrow dancers. Yes, our tomorrow dancers, part of the tomorrow team. And the tomorrow team, we have Senora Antonia Marabusa. We also have Miss Amama, but she couldn't make it today, and also Senora Mesa. So that is our. And we also have our inner team. Miss Calvin, that's me, room one. Miss Calvor, room four. Miss Joseph, room four. And room three, Miss Cynthia, who is joining us tonight. We also have our awesome TAs, Miss TJ, Cruz, we have Miss Mandiola, we have Mr. Lance, part of our kinder team. And then we also have our second grade team. We have Miss L. Calvert, room 11. Miss Ross, room 17. And also Miss Sheila Morales Meadows. Program, and I will lend this here to Senora Antonia Matabusi.
That was a person. Can you tell me why my name was Antonia? Any guess? You're Catholic? Why? Because I was born on a Tuesday. What is Tuesday? Well, we honor St. Anthony on Tuesday. That's it. Okay, when is a happy day? Viva tomorrow, okay? Viva Miss Chamoru. Our theme this year is Ipino Chamoru, Giminan Halong Tau Tau Tano, Gihinabiban Hinamlo, Gihinamlo, Gihinamlo Tengracia. Okay? That means the Chamorro language, through the wisdom of indigenous people of Guam, through the praising of healing and grace. That's right. Okay. And I'd like to present to you our fifth graders, and our fourth graders, and our third graders, and our kinders, second, first, and kinder. Okay, we're going to start with Fanoki, Chamoru. So if I would like everyone to Fanoki, por favor. Está? Fanoki, Chamoru. Como dua. Paneki corazón. Paneki sentaki. Paneki corazón. Paneki sentaki. Uno, dos, tres. Oh, I'm sorry. Dolphin 3. Exclusive Skyward.
Okay, boys and girls, Dolphin 3, get ready, go. Be respectful. JMG visit, get ready, go. Our vision at one and Guerrero Elementary School is to become empowered, to be respectful, responsible, and ready for one and Guerrero Elementary School mission. One and Rural Elementary School strives to develop academically, socially, technologically successful, critical thinkers in our local and global community. Now, look around.
Rock. Sophie, como falta el culo, bendición, sign-up, and will sign up. Pues, Eleni Tulos, then Weizenau. And the next one will be from Guatemala. From their actions, I hope you will understand what the words are saying. Esa, uno, dos, tres. Obrigado para o song si Alison Mercado. For one filler. Hey, this is Alison Mercado. She's a fifth grade of mine. I trained her to say a story in Chamoru, and she joined the UOG's Charter Day in Antaikin in Chamoru, which is the Chamorro language competition. Everything is said in Chamoru. The story had to be from 2 to 4 minutes. Different categories. We had kinder first category, second, third category, and fourth and fifth category. So Allison will present the fourth and fifth category story. The name of the story is Ikeko Zen Ika. Please welcome her.
Buenas tardes. Pogo si Alison Mercado. 5 grado na estudiante ni Isa Monemperero Elementario y Laguna Distrito. Estudiamos na haani Ikeko Zaning Litay. Un tiempo isang buwan un koku na klasenpahadu dan un hilitay. Un diha hahugot si hilitay kantan Dito kumanta hilitay, lawa mas bonito. Mahasa hilitay, pasilet niya, direksyon pa na bonito so. Law hafan itay buena cakpat ko mo ko. Mamaisin si Koko. Kau puti tilong pasilet niya si Koko. Direksyon pa na bonito so. Pasilet niya si Koko. Magahit na chat bagozo. Apa mohan tata ang tanaluas. Why open tahaw. Pues bentazo. Ako para si Koko ipentura. Habati apagat na patinsyada ichelenta ni pilunya. Pues habati amanis na patinsyada iot na chelenta ni pilunya. Pues si Koko habenta silitay. Bonito perentanya si Koko kitang tataw hilitay. Anay terhanya silitay. Hasubukin pilu di apagat na tiyada dan hasabi ni ilong Koko. Tsaka jeleknya silitay. Pues habiran hinsigira sa laudo. Lalalo si Koko sa haliseha silitay. Umeslaw si Koko. Azumohan tingay hilamu. Tastiki azuman ng matutoru mantingan hilay hilitay. Tisinya manyantay hilitay sa gos at magogos niha. Mapos.
Allison competed with 9 other elementary schools from her category, and she won first place. So we have something to present to her. Unfortunately, when I signed up that day, I asked them, I asked the people who were registering us, will the results be mentioned today? That day, but that was Monday. And they told me, no ma'am, winners will be announced tomorrow. So we let it at that, right? There we go. So we had to just go inside, sit down, and listen to all the competitors. And there were 9 of them. So she was number 2 on the list, and she was okay. She was great. So we have to wait for the others. But then, right after the last person, I said, I know you guys are tired. She and the mom, she had her cousin with her. I said, let's go get your free snacks that we'll provide for all the participants. So and then we walked out across the parking lot, way across the parking lot, right? Because the parking lot was full of DOT. So anyway, the Lord somehow said, hold on, Tonya, stay in your car, just a few minutes. Out comes walking down to the parking lot was another Chamoru teacher. And I said, Senora, it's over, right? They're not mentioning the winner. She goes, no, Senora, they told us in 15 minutes. They're going to be announced. And then she goes, Senora, go in there because I heard your student's story, and I think she's replaced. I said, okay. So I had to rush in, and 71-year-old Antonia had to run in. And it wasn't easy, but I kept praying. The Lord just stayed with me. So, unfortunately, she wasn't there to get her prize, so I had to receive it for her, but she will receive it tonight. Allison Mercado, can you come down here, please? Castro. Mrs. Castro, can you do the honor of putting this around her neck? Because of the participation and the preparation of the Metamoros, I would like to give gratitude, the Tomorrow team would like to give gratitude to some people. First of all, Allison Mercado, come down here, sweetheart, and get your certificate for joining the competition. I announced it to my 5th graders one day. I said, you know what, there's this thing going on, a UOC competition, and the minute I didn't even finish what I was supposed to present to them about stories. You raise your hand. So right then and there, I knew that she wanted to volunteer. Okay, so that's a real good effort. So I would like to also thank her grandmother, Mrs. Tess Fernando. Mrs. Tess Fernando, please come up here. Come on, Mama. I practiced with her every day after school for 1 hour. And then the Sunday right before the competition just this past week. She was very, very great, very gracious to wait for her. We also want to give a certificate and agradecimiento, which is a thank you to Ms. Amber Sahaji. Every story has to have one item only as an icon for the story. So Koku is, everybody knows what Koku is? The Guam rail, right? That doesn't fly. And the Hilita is the monitored, right? Good job. Okay. So the minute I put that on the chat, golly, just a few seconds, Mr. Haji says, I have chickens at the house. I'll get it. Maila, Mr. Haji, por favor. And then, did you enjoy the Galadi Tunas? So we have to have an icon on that one too. And I just asked who would like to be able to make a Galadi. And Mrs. Badar volunteered her husband and her family. St. Louis Maasi, Mr. Henry. And we have Mr. and Mrs. Henry Badar. And family please. Mr. Badar here, Mr. Hannah here. St. Louis Maasi. Don't lose St. Louis Maasi. And lastly, with the first beginning of our performance, Umuku Ikulu, Kulu is a conch. So without the Bendy show, without the singing of the Kulu, we would have the song, right? So guess what? We have a student, a 5th grade student, who knows how to play the Kulu, who has the Kulu. Mampus, I mampus. Okay, the young little gentleman who played his Kulu was Jeremiah Paris. And we're also giving Jeremiah and her mother, Mrs. Aurelia Paris, a 5th grade teacher here. Thank you so much. Dr. All of you. Team the Chamoru, okay? Okay, now we're going to have Ms. Catherine present the other music and dances for you to enjoy.
Parents, can you please report to the office to pick your child who is fired? Yes, special announcement to parents, please pick your child for the office. Thank you. Boys and girls, are we ready for our performance? Yes? Parents, are we ready for our children to perform? Yes? Okay.
You hear a lot of natives say, as you come along and you say, honest, over the moon, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just pronounce it, I say, not a day. Sing it right. So let's join hands and say what we got to say. Take your hand and show you just how much I love you.